right, so we got the side angle side thing going on right here. We've got the angle right in between them. We don't have anything that corresponds with the angle yet. So we can use our cosine law to figure out the side f, and then we can always go into this law of the sines if you want to. So if we're finding f, we could say f squared equals the other two sides squared, 54 squared plus 49 squared minus 2 times those same two sides, 54, 49 times the cosine of the angle that corresponds with f, which is 65 degrees. I'm running out of room. I thought I could get it in there. Thought I could squeeze it. Cosine of 65. Now this is nice because you can do the whole right side of the equation in your calculator. 54 squared plus 49 squared minus 2 times 54 times 49 times the cosine of 65 degrees. Boom. You get f squared equals 3080.5. And we have to square root that still. We'll get an approximate number here. It's a square root answer 55.5, approximately. Great. So, do you want to use the law of the cosines? Do you want to use sines again? I like the sine a lot better. So let's use the law of sine. So let's say like h. So we could say sine of 65 degrees over the corresponding side, which is 55.5, equals the sine of h over the corresponding side, which is 54. Now we're getting rid of divided by 54, so we can multiply both sides by 54 here. 54 times the sine of 65 divided by 55.5, 0.882 equals the sine of h. So we'll use that inverse sign, and we get 61.9 degrees-ish. $61.9. And then we'll use our just 180, and we'll subtract our two angles here. So 180 minus 65 would be 115. And 115 minus 61.9, 115 minus 61.9, 53.1. So that would be our last angle, 53.1. That was fun. Again, you can check for the longest side being across from the largest angle. Our largest angle is 65. That's across from the largest side. Our smallest side is across from the smallest angle. Those are all good signs.